What's up, dudes? Be sure and like and subscribe. We got a new little segment for you. It's called First Time. So first time Parker's finna get up in that KFX700. He just first time to YZ85. We'll see what's next. So here we go. KFX700. Let me show it to you. I know you want to see it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Hop on there, Buster. It's Parker's first time. I give him a little run. Go get your damn shoes on, boy. Now. Come on, man. You knew you were riding something. Hurry up, boy. Well, while he's in there getting his shoes on, he lucky he ain't counting his damn teeth. A little choke is necessary sometimes. Sometimes a little choke. She could use a tune-up, don't get me wrong. Foot on the brake. Is it down on the brake? Yeah. Put your hand on there, shift it forward. Give it a little gas. Don't let it die. There you go. Go ahead. Nice and easy, boy. Easy now, sucker. Hey, Parker, stop. That's a 700. Your blaster's 200 cc's. You go real fucking easy. If it starts doing something crazy or taking it off, you kill it right there. You don't reach for the key. You kill it right there. Use your foot to stop. Tuck your feet in. There you go. You don't know what to think about that, dudes. Went right for the truck. Wow! And his eyes got like that big. Eyes are about that big. Let's see what he thinks. He don't know what to think. Easy, easy, easy. Slow down. Let's see you stop. There you go. Sounds cool, huh? A lot different. Sounds like a damn big ass truck, don't it? Here, KFX700, guys. CVT transmission. No shifting required. Has reverse. Pretty decent front end on them. I mean, they are sport quads. Dual exhaust, dual, V-twin. Got that V-force. Shaft drive, 4-stroke. Dual carburetors, not fuel injection on this model. I don't know if the new ones are or not. So 700cc 4-stroke. I'm gonna give you all a little demo here. Come close, Bubba. Just grab her like this, push in the button, reverse, brake, forward. Now ready for a whole shot? Oh, I gotta get used to it. Hold on now. Nasty, boys. Tell me what y'all think. It's a quad. It's a kid's bike, man, for little kids. This is like for grandpa if his old bird quit working and he still had a need for speed, though. You know what I mean? If getting this wasn't really gonna bother him because, you know, the amount of trim, he ain't even, his stick don't even work. so he can just focus. Because if you get this, them ladies see it, you're gonna be in trouble, dude. You better hope it's fast. It better be fast. What's that?
Powerful.
Powerful?
It's fast, and you can tell me it sounds cool.
Would you rather have that or your blaster?
I mean this, but I mean it's very powerful.
Yeah.
It's just cool.
Blaster's cool because you learn more. Because see, since you rode the blaster, you're able to get on the YZ85 earlier. No problem, right?
Right.
But if you didn't know how to use that clutch and
Stuff like that would be a lot harder.
so the blaster teaches young men how to ride. This gets some no riding dude into the sport quad game. You know what I mean? Come on. Come on. What's up, dudes? One more hole shot for you. You know what I mean? I gotta go get something to eat, so I'm gonna be in a little bit of a hurry. The key to launching this piece of junk, hold all the brakes and get the clutch where it's grabbing and the subbitch is wanting to go, and you just let her eat. Position on that. Let me try that one more time. You want to be way up here. You know what I'm saying? Wheeling. Get up in there, dudes. Be sure and like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment. This is for sale. Give a shit. Next week, spring break. Parker's going to be trying all kinds of different bikes. So you guys be sure and stick around. Guarantee you bust at least once next week. So check this out. Even a mini bike guy could shift it.
Yep.
Use dialer into drive. D for push it. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. There you go. Oh my goodness, I thought you were gonna hit that pole. Thank God. Admit it. Admit you almost hit the pole.
Huh?
Admit you almost hit the pole.
That one?
Yeah.
It might have been close. I wasn't even looking at it.
You were close, buddy. That thing rips, don't it? I know y'all want I know you guys want some statistics, so here you go. 2004 Kawasaki KFX700, fully automatic CVT transmission, 49 horsepower, they say stock, 74.3 miles an hour. Anybody can ride it, shift it in gear, that's it, just go. If you could do this, you're good. If you can do this, you're good, man. So, I mean, if I could only have one sport quad, I might start with that one just because anybody can ride it. My wife, my kid, me, anyone that has a little bit of self-control. I don't know if I'd put Blake on it or not. You know, he might just go hold the throttle wide open, and you know how he is, man. He needs to be slowed down by shifting. You don't want him in an automatic. Plus, I don't think he'd ride it. It's automatic, so not a lot I could do about that. But you guys be sure and like and subscribe, and that's all I really know about them, man. They're around $7,000 when they were new, and pretty cool machine. A lot of fun. CVT transmission, no clutch, 4-stroke, carbureted, shaft drive, no chain. It's freaking orange, black, green. I've seen a couple other little custom colors, but that's pretty much it. Get you one. They're cheap. They're cheaper than the Banshee guys and guys like that. You can get them KFXs $2,000, $2,500 running. So get out there and do it if you want one. What's up, boys? Be sure and like and subscribe. Get up in there, comment. Let me know what you want to see next, because we're just going to start knocking all of them out that are around here. So Parker ain't been on that yet. Definitely going to try that one out next, I think. Maybe not, because he already rode the YZ today. So you guys comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. It's going to be a little different, boy. Roll it forward away from that pole.
Fucking roll it. Oh yeah.
Hop on. You're good. Give it a little gas and a kick. This is Parker's first time on a YZ85, guys. He ain't been on a 65 dirt bike since he was about 8. I appreciate it. We're going to go through these one by one, pretty much give you some riding footage of everything. And this is just one of the buildings. Come on. So if you're new to the channel, comment. If you're old to the channel, comment. If you watch the videos, comment. Be sure and share them with your friends, and I'm the one replying, guys. So get up in there. Got any questions, I'll reply. Got any requests, let me know, and we'll try and get you the videos. So appreciate it, and You know what to do. You know what to do. We're going to get you guys 5 videos this week. Monday. Talking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. So, thanks for 5,000 subscribers. Let's get them numbers up, dudes. Parker already ripped the YZ85. That video coming tomorrow. You're going to want to see it. We give her hell. I know y'all want to see some bike reviews. Come on, we're just getting started. It's spring break, too. Wait till y'all see what's up tomorrow. Bunch more, too. Damn. What the hell? CR80, CR60, Husky 50. Bunch more up in there. Z50s. Lot of videos we're going to be getting you guys.